Today, we're going to learn how to find equivalent fractions for 5/12. Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value, even though they may look different. To find equivalent fractions, we multiply the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same non-zero integer. Let's start with our fraction, 5/12. If we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, we get a new fraction. Now let's try multiplying by 3. Our new equivalent fraction is 15/36. You can use any integer to generate equivalent fractions. Let's do one more example, this time multiplying by 4. As you can see, we have 3 equivalent fractions for 5/12, 10/24, 15/36, and 20/48. These fractions all represent the same value. By using this method, you can find unlimited equivalent fractions. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, you can create equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same integer. Continue practicing to become familiar with recognizing and finding equivalent fractions.